This is gonna be one of the shortest videos I've ever done. Today we're gonna show you exactly how to lock an MSI vinyl flooring board together. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, we're gonna hook it. So our end joint is in. And we're gonna angle, tapping it in as we go down. All there is to it. Notice as we hook our end joint in, lift up on the row. This guy here likes to use a block to tap his long joint in, which is pretty nice. It works pretty well. But that's all there is to it. End joint, long joint, no drop-in joint. So if you enjoyed this, be sure to check out all the other videos we're going to be releasing from this job on MSI flooring. We're going to show you start to finish what you need to know. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out all of our other content. We also have lots of great videos on vinyl flooring installation as well as product reviews, plus stairs and much, much more. If you're new around here, we have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment, but we really need your help. YouTube doesn't promote our videos as much as they should, so please like, share, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.